versus React? I get this question a tons of time in a week in my DMs, in my LinkedIn DMs, in my Instagram DMs, everywhere, and even in my live sessions as well. So what I did is I ran an experiment wherein I posted two internships on Internshala, which is the most renowned platform in India for internships, and I hope that what I have done for internships can be extrapolated for jobs as well. Now, what I actually did is that I have posted two internships and I have taken three readings on 3 different days, and you will be surprised to know the outcomes. And I'm going to show you the live videos of me posting internships of what the analysis is. So let's get into it. I'll open the first video, which was taken on 17th September 17th September 2020. Okay, this is the video. So here I am posting the internship. I guess it is visible to you. So I have first posted web development. I am doing regular in office. And what are the other options? Immediately, which is the next 30 days. And locations, I am putting Delhi. I am putting, I think, Bombay and Bangalore, or maybe Hyderabad and Bangalore. Yeah, so Bangalore is the second one, and the third one is Mumbai, of course. Yeah, so these are the three and four like metropolitan cities which are most famous for IT, which are tech hubs. Okay, and then I'm not allowing part time. I'm doing number of openings as five. These same would be replicated for machine learning as well. Okay, so 6 months is the internship period, and selected responsibilities, as you can read, you can pause the video and read that, which is pretty like the normal, the decent one. So react.js workflows, using redux and flux and stuff like that. And then so it's like a decent internship position. Okay, and I would keep the salary to be, the stipend to be negotiable between 10,000 to 15,000. So it is decently paid internship, I would say. Right, it is not much high, it's not very low. All the extra things, all the extra perks are ticked mark. 5 days is not ticked. Okay, and I am also giving a PPO, or let's say, yeah, I am also giving a PPO, but CTC is not disclosed. Now I'm going for skills. I'm going to React, which is the major skill, then HTML, then CSS, the normal ones, Redux, okay, which my project demands, and then Mongo. So it's a MERN stack, I'm completing the MERN stack over here. AWS for hosting and deployment and stuff like that. Now, I was trying to go for Netlify, but Netlify is not an option. Now I'm going for the two basic questions, and mostly I'll add another question as well. I guess so. Yeah. So one more question is, um, what should be the question? So I'll write, please share the link of your projects or something like that, of any projects, of any deployed projects, right? So just that, what people does is they automate the stuff. They just do click, 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 click and done. So I'm trying to, remove that process. So it will filter out the people who actually automate internship processes. So I'm actually filtering out those, and now you will get, more correct readings. So I'll post the internship. My internship will be live in 48 hours. I get this internship, I get this notification. Done. This is the thing you can see. The company name is Innovative Labs and stuff like that. All things are done now. Good. Okay. Now let's move on to another internship. Let's post another internship. I'll open it in another tab. So as you can see, web development one is in under review. Okay, I'll post another internship which is for machine learning. Okay, so there is no option for machine learning, so I'll go to the other option. Okay, and I'll write machine learning. If I could correctly do it. Then this is regular as well, and then over here as well there's Delhi, Mumbai, and Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, 4 places, just like what we have done in the web development one. The four IT hubs. Okay, done. Number of openings are five. Duration is 6 months. Something similar what we have done, and this is from my previous internship from which I posted I think 2 years back. So I would keep it same but with a little bit minor changes. Okay, let's move it forward. We have done this. I've added some more stuff, and in the salary part, then what we'll do. Okay, so as you can see, the salary is same, 10,000 to 15,000. I'm keeping it same, and the perks would be same as well. So certificate, flexible work hours, dress code, letter of recommendation, 5 days a week, free snacks, everything done. And the the basic one is Python, right? Then you have machine learning, then deep learning, because of course it's a machine learning internship. Then you have, I was thinking of Jupyter Notebook, but that was not an option. Uh, and I think mathematics is important. And I think that's all for this one. Um, I think it's done. Or maybe R programming, yeah, if it is necessary. Okay. And again, a similar question over here as well, that please provide any link of your previous project, to filter out the fake ones. Okay. And here we post the internship. Done. So on 17th September, I guess it was, yeah, 17th September, I posted both the internships. Next reading I took on 19th September. Let's look at that. Let's close this one. Um, the 19th October recording. Yeah, this is the one. I'll just open it. Let me move it to the screen. Yeah. Okay. As you can see the date, the 19th September, which was my birthday as well. So on here, okay, this is something cool, because you remember that the internship was going to be live, was going to get live in 2 days, right? 48 hours, and it generally gets approved much earlier than that, and that's what happened over here as well. So it got approved I think in 6 to 7 hours only, and after that the application was live. Both the applications were live. Now here you see after 2 days the machine learning application is on hold with an applicant range of an applicant a number of 20 to 30, and web development one in 2 days has got 121 and is still active. You see the competition, it's completely double, right? That is what I'm. And see, both the things were absolutely same. There was no bias at all, right? This is something. And even machine learning one was not very general, because I put multimodal audio images, which was very tough. Okay, and web development was just a MERN stack with the redux condition, which is the normal standard thing. So you see the difference, right? Let's move on. Let's see what applicants we have got and what all things are over there. Now, applications on hold. This is a little new feature for me, because what it says is that new applications to this internship are on hold since there are too many unprocessed applications. Please hire, reject, or initiate a chat, and then only you can further continue it. And that's actually a little new for me, because last time 2 years back I also did this a similar experiment, and at that time I got around like what the analysis for that was 700 internship applicants for machine learning, and I think 70 or 80 for React, because 2 years back React was not that much popular, right? I'm glad that people are getting aware of this stuff, this stack as well, right? So but this is kind of an eye opener, because currently, even after 2 years, with so much of people in the industry, with so much of people telling about this stuff, still there are people who are applying, like in machine learning. They are doing machine learning like here and there, and they think that this is the norm of the industry, but this is not actually. Moving on. So you see that there are applications on hold. Only if I process them, then only I can get new applicants. But I didn't do that stuff and move. And then we move on in the applications dashboard folder. You see applications received are 230, and I can invite candidate, which is pretty naive. And then these are the applicants. Of course, we would be going through all the applicants and what all they have done, and then you'll be screening and doing stuff like that, because I need to hire someone for innovative labs for my company. But yeah, you can see the applicants, right? And these are not at all fake. You can see these are bachelor, these for web development as well. These are web developers. They have done okay. In web development, you can see there are Android app development people as well who are applying for web development, which doesn't make sense, right? So you can see over there. I won't hire anyone like this, right? Then you can see we have freshers teaching, teacher at teaching classes, arts. We have we have fucking arts guys as well, PA program. I mean, like, what, man? What is happening? But yeah, okay, that's fine. Degree doesn't matter at all. But still, if it doesn't matter, then you shouldn't have highlighted it that much. But I think that's intern Chala's format or something like that. But that's okay. That's fine. That's bearable. If he knows his stuff, then that's okay. Embedded systems and automations. I mean, like, bro, why are you highlighting embedded systems experience when you are applying for a React job or React internship? Doesn't make sense. But still, okay, cool. We have something. We have got internship. And see, in you have seen the level of people applying for internships, right? Now you can see that the people applying for internship and what is your level. And in machine learning, you have MSc guys as well. Be aware. This is for okay. We have moved to machine learning part now, and you see, right? We have MSc people, MSc guys as well. For so see, the difference over here is that in web development, you were getting Android people, you were getting people with background in arts and stuff like that, which are not actually good at their skill. But in machine learning, the competition is too high, the number of applicants is too high, and the magnitude of people, the skills that they have, that is also very very much competitive. So if you are fighting with people who are in MSc and you are in BTech, don't you think that's kind of bad on your part? I mean, like, I think so. I don't know about you, but these are people with statistics, M of Masters of Statistics, MIT Man, this is something really great. A machine learning engineer at Actofit, he was, and he is still looking for, he's in MTech looking for an internship. Bro, that's okay. So we have people in operational research as well, but still he's in MS. That's you see the people in masters applying for internship. It's very much highly competitive field because you are competing. So guy from BE will be competing with a guy from masters. Who do you think would I hire? A guy from masters, man. Of course, no. That makes sense. Again, an analyst at Accenture applying for machine learning internship, right? So you see, right? Okay, AI developer. No guy who is not relevant. There is no one who is actually irrelevant. Postdoctoral fellow at Indira Gandhi Institute of Development. I think this is open. Ignore stuff like that. Not pretty sure. But you see, okay, this was analysis for 19th September. We are done with that. Let's close this. This was okay, but for the sake of doing, complete analysis, I also did one more analysis on 26th September. Okay, this is the one for 26th September where both of the applications were on hold. And you can see the applications on hold for machine learning are 294. What? After 26th September, and I posted 17. So 9 days, after 9 days, and this is application on hold. Just think that what number we would be getting if this application was not on hold, because in 2 days it was double, and these things compound. So these things are exponential, right? So it would have been 6 to 7 times more number of applicants, 6 to 7 times number of applicants of what web development is, right? And yes, okay, cool, cool. And as you can see, okay, so that's it for this one. That's it for this analysis part. So 26th September is also done. Now, now you see, guys, right? We have done the live experiment, and I don't think now people would be confused that what should they do, React versus machine learning. I'm not saying machine learning is a bad field or React is like really lucrative field, but you see the demand and supply game, right? We have talked about the supply. Keeping in mind that demand is same, right? I have talked about, I have posted the internships in a manner that demand was same, the 10,000 to 15,000 range, then 5 positions, then Delhi, Bombay, Hyderabad, and all the metropolitan cities, right? The tech hubs, Bangalore. And so in another video, we would be actually testing what the demand is. So for that, we would be using LinkedIn Jobs and Glassdoor and Indeed and all Angel List and all of these things. And in this video, I've talked about the supply side and your competition, who you would be competing with, what is actually happening behind the doors, right? So you apply on Internshala or on AngelList or on anywhere for internships, and now you have seen the back end, what me as a hiring manager, as an HR would be thinking. What would I hire you who is in BTech and build two products watched an Udemy course, or someone in MS who is actually doing statistics and stuff like that, who is from IIT Delhi or from IIT Kanpur and stuff like that. So just think about that. Just think about that for once, and then only choose your field. Okay, that's all for this, guys. Bye bye.